Welcome to BuildMyChecks. We help businesses replace paper checklists with digital inspections, photo evidence, and automatic audit trails, all in one place. This video shows how to create checks directly in the BuildMyChecks mobile app. The mobile app includes a simplified check builder designed for speed and ease of use. From the app, you can create checks using common field types such as text, numbers, checkboxes, yes or no answers, date and time, location, signatures, and media attachments. You can also link checks to assets and include instruction blocks to guide users. Advanced features like conditional branching are available in the web app. Checks created on mobile sync automatically and can be scheduled and managed from the web app. This makes it quick and easy to build and complete checks wherever you are. Subscribe for more BuildMyChecks how-to videos.